Hey, my name is Cynthia Abear, and I'm going to be talking to you about the medication hydralazine. So hydralazine, the brand name is also called apresyline. The drug class for hydralazine is a vasodilator. Hydralazine can be given oral and intravenously. Hydralazine, the IV doses range from 5 milligrams to 20 milligrams. The oral doses are 10 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 50 milligrams, and 100 milligrams. Hydralazine can interact with NSAIDs, and patients should also be aware that cold and allergy medicines may interact with hydralazine. Patients should regularly check their blood pressure at home. Blood pressure monitoring is very important with hydralazine. Patients should check their blood pressure before they take their medicine and then frequently throughout the day. Some adverse effects for hydralazine include low blood pressure, dizziness, nausea, and difficulty breathing. There are no contraindications with hydralazine usage. However, patients with pulmonary hypertension should be cautioned. Patients should be educated to take their medication as prescribed every day at the same time. They should monitor their blood pressure at home, and patients should be educated on lifestyle modifications. Exercise, healthy diet, losing weight, and cessation of smoking could help decrease the usage or the need for hydralazine. And hydralazine is best consumed with food. So those are a few facts about hydralazine. Thank you for listening.